Welcome! In this video, we'll explore the key differences between front-end and back-end development. Let's break down what makes each one unique. First, what do these terms mean? Front-end is the part of a website or application that users directly interact with. It's what you see and click. Back-end, on the other hand, is everything behind the scenes. It's responsible for processing requests, managing data, and delivering content. Next, let's talk about languages. Front-end development uses languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build and style the user interface. Back-end developers work with languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, and Node.js to handle server-side logic. Front-end development focuses on designing the layout, ensuring smooth user interaction, and optimizing visual elements. Back-end development is focused on data management, server communication, and creating the logic that powers the entire application. Popular tools and frameworks vary as well. For front-end, developers often use React, Angular, or Vue to create dynamic interfaces. Back-end developers might use Django, Flask, or Laravel to build powerful server-side applications. Front-end directly interacts with users through visual elements and buttons. When a user clicks something, the back-end processes the request, retrieves data, and sends it back to the front-end for display. The front-end displays data but doesn't store it. The back-end manages databases and ensures the data is stored securely and retrieved efficiently. Front-end code runs on the client's browser, while back-end code runs on the server, processing information and delivering data back to the client. Security is crucial. Front-end developers focus on form validation and user input security. Back-end developers are responsible for securing sensitive data, managing authentication, and protecting servers. Front-end and back-end communicate via APIs. The front-end sends requests to the back-end, which processes them and sends back the necessary data. To sum up, both front-end and back-end are essential in building robust web applications. While front-end ensures a great user experience, back-end manages the logic and data behind the scenes. Together, they create a seamless digital experience. Outro, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos.